So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a transition effect on your Keynote presentation. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go to the top here and add a few different blank slides. And I'm going to go ahead here and change the photo or the color, I guess, so it's a little easier for you guys to see, just like this. So if I wanted to have a slide or a transition between this slide and this slide, I go to the top to where it says animate, just like this, press on that, and then where it says no transition effect, press on add an effect. We're going to go ahead and just do confetti for this example. So here's the transition between slides. If I were to go to play right here, this is the first slide. I go to the next slide, and there's now the transition to the next slide. So once again, just go to add an effect. You can go ahead and do that and do it yourself. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add transition effects to a Keynote presentation between slides. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.